Hi, welcome back to the channel. So let's look at how to buy shares on MTN. In the year 2018, MTN introduced or opened their shares portal to allow any Ghanaians who is interested and want to buy shares or own shares on MTN to do so by just using this phone or just enter the MTN shareholder or visit the MTN website to buy shares on MTN. But recently things has changed. If you dial the MTN Momo code that was used on 2018 to buy the shares, you cannot do so. You will see the options there, but when you choose the share buy shares section and try to do it, it will not work. MTN will tell you that they will send you an SMS for you to do that, but now it has changed. It will not work. If you do so, it will not work. I've tried several times, but it's not work. And this video, I'm going to show you a step by step and introduce you to another method that you can use to buy shares on MTN. I've already talked or made a video about Ghana Stock Exchange, how to buy Ghana or invest in Ghana Stock Exchange. I have that video. If you haven't watched that video, go in and watch that video. And we are going to use this website called IC World. IC World is a brokerage platform that allow us to invest in the Ghana Stock Exchange. So I don't go deep about that one. So if you want to know more about that one, let me know in the comment section. So if you go to the IC World, this is the platform. They have an app version and they have a website version. I'll put the link in the description if you want to use the app or you want to use the web section. So when you download and open the app, you see the first prompt here. We have the register here. You just type the register here. You enter your name, your email address and stuff. Then you register and then they will verify your account. I already have account. What I will do is just log in into my account. So on the IC World, anytime you want to log in, because of security reason, they will always want to verify and confirm that you are the real owner of the app. So they will send you an SMS to your number that you use to in registering the account. Okay, so they send you a code that you will use to register into the account. So this is the IC Word dashboard or the platform of the IC Word that I'm talking about. This website, this is the platform. Okay, so if you check here, you see my account balance in the IC Word. I deposited this 50 cedis in the IC Word liquidity trade, and this is my account balance that I have now on the balance. Okay, and if you want to invest in it, if you look at here, we have the creative fund. That one is for the IC World, their platform, their own investment platform that you can use. Okay, and we all know that if you, before you can invest in Ghana stocks, you need to have a broker that will help you to create your account, and from then you need to have a CSD number that will also moderate and help you in the IC World investment platform, right? So this is the platform here. If you see here, you say we are setting up your account with CSD to enable you trade with the liquidity with us. So these are the platform or the companies that are on the Ghana Stock Exchange, right? We have all these companies on the Ghana Stock Exchange. So if you want to invest in the Ghana Stock Exchange, you create your account, then you let them create your CSD account for you. For the CSD, they take some time because of fraud and stuff. They take some time to create this account for you. And if you want to invest in Ghana, the MTN, we have the MTN here. All right, to invest here, we have MTN here. In the year 2018, the MTN was selling one share for 7 cedis 50 pesos. That was on MTN shares. So in the year 2018, if you want to buy, if you buy one share on MTN, it was 7 cedis 50 pesos. Now, if you look at MTN here, it has 2 cedis 29 pesos on MTN, right? So at that time, if you bought a share on that time and want to sell it at this time, you make a profit on it. Okay, so that's why anytime you need to make sure follow the trend on that platform and know the growth of that platform. So if you check here, it means MTN shares is what growing, and for you to be able to invest in the MTN shares, you need to have your CSD account verified, and you come here, you choose the MTN section, then you go straight forward and invest in the MTN stock, right? Or buy shares on MTN stock. So this is the simplest way to buy shares on MTN without any hassles or going to a bank and stuff to do so. Thank you. See you in the next video.